Welcome! We hope you are ready to transform your home for the season without breaking the bank. In this video series, we're recreating high-end designer French country autumn decor. Let's get crafting. To create this French country urn arrangement, gather a thrifted ceramic or plastic classical pedestal urn, joint compound, or baking soda mixed with flat latex paint, warm taupe and off-white acrylic craft paints, matte dark brown wax or antiquing glaze, a chip brush, paper towels, floral foam, dry block, wire cutters, faux dusty silver dollar eucalyptus stems, faux cream or sage dried hydrangeas, and faux rust or mustard-toned berry picks. Begin by weathering the vessel with a stone-like texture. First, thoroughly clean your urn. Then brush an even layer of joint compound mixed with a little taupe paint across the exterior, stippling the surface with a stiff chip brush to create an authentic, rough terracotta feel. Once fully dry, lightly dry brush off-white acrylic paint over the raised details and ornate ridges to catch the light, followed by buffing a tiny amount of dark brown antiquing wax into the deep crevices with a paper towel to enhance the carved depth. After the urn has set, press a block of floral foam firmly into the base, trimming it to fit snugly just below the rim. Prepare your faux botanicals by trimming the stems with wire cutters, varying the heights to create a natural, organic silhouette. Insert the dusty eucalyptus stems first around the outer rim and slightly leaning outward to establish a wide, sweeping base structure, filling in the center with a few taller, upright branches. Next, cluster the neutral-toned hydrangea blooms low toward the front and center of the arrangement to act as the primary focal points, burying their bases slightly into the greenery. Finally, weave the rust-colored berry picks throughout the eucalyptus foliage, allowing them to arch upward and outward to add rich seasonal warmth, natural movement, and full volume to the finished centerpiece. Massive thank you for all the love in the comments and thumbs up. You make this channel possible. To create this Pottery barn-inspired French country pressed botanical art, you will need a thrifted large wooden picture frame with glass, an antique gold metallic paint or rub-and buff with dark brown wax, a piece of cream or oatmeal linen fabric, or textured cardstock from the dollar store, real pressed fall leaves or realistic faux fabric leaves, clear drying craft glue or Mod Podge, a paintbrush, masking tape, and scissors. Begin by sorting and arranging the real or faux leaves in a pattern you are satisfied with, ensuring they fit the frame you have selected. Take apart the frame. You may choose to remove the tabs on the back or leave them in place. On the background to be placed inside the frame, place your leaves down in the pattern you have designed. Secure by gluing down each leaf. Paint the frame as desired with antique gold or brown rub and buff. You may choose a blend of the two if desired. Place the glass down over the leaves and place inside the frame. Make certain all is securely locked in and all the leaves have remained in place. Now turn the frame over and lock the tabs in place or secure with new tabs if you chose to replace them. Finally, you are ready to display your elegant, high-end autumn art in your chosen location. To make this distressed wood candlestick lamp dupe, you will need a thrifted wooden candlestick or spindle base, an oil-rubbed bronze spray paint or dark brown/black acrylic paint, off-white or cream chalk paint, medium to fine grit sandpaper, a paintbrush, painter's tape, a bottle lamp wiring kit with socket and harp, or a thrifted small lamp to salvage hardware from, and a small tapered linen drum lampshade. Begin by gathering all materials and sanding wood parts, Apply a coat of off-white chalk paint over the wooden spindle. Let natural wood grains show through in spots to create the appearance of age. Being careful, apply oil-rubbed bronze paint to the base and neck hardware. You may want to tape off the center section. Complete by applying a clear matte wax or sealer if desired to lock in the finish. Assemble the lamp kit by wiring according to the kit's instructions. Top it off with your linen lampshade and bulb. You are now ready for the most satisfying part, placing the finished lamp in its permanent home so all may enjoy it. To recreate the French country gilded botanical cloche, you will need a thrifted glass cloche dome, or an inverted glass jar or vase, a round wooden plaque or charger plate, white chalk paint, dark antique wax or brown acrylic paint, gold and copper metallic craft paint, a small piece of floral foam, preserved green Spanish moss, faux autumn leaf stems, either maple or oak, dried hydrangeas, real or faux acorns, wire cutters, and hot glue with glue sticks. Spray the wooden base your preferred color. We have shown a few styles of bases for you to view. Spray paint the leaves gold, glue moss and other dried materials to the base. Start gluing the small branches into the moss. You may recruit a helper for this part of the process. Tie in dried flowers to add some dimension and character. Finally, lower the glass dome over the botanical display, nestling the bottom edge directly into the moss for a high-end, timeless centerpiece. Proudly place your cloche in a prominent location in your home for all to admire. To make this antiqued olive swag, you will need a thrifted grapevine wreath or a Dollar Tree willow branch bundle, 2 to 3 faux olive leaf or eucalyptus picks, 1 faux fern stem, 1 muted gold or natural berry spray, a package of assorted unfinished wooden beads, natural jute twine, floral wire, a hot glue gun, and matte chalk spray paint in antique white or warm cream. Arrange greenery into a bundle, glue on layers, secure together with jute twine or floral wire and wire cutters. Now repeat the process. Take the two sections and combine them by wiring them together tightly for a permanent hold. Add in a strand of beads made from wood. After ensuring all is securely tied together, fluff the swag to make it appear fuller. Give the swag the final touches by inserting the olive branch picks and the fall picks as well. The exciting part is being able to place the swag on the mantle or in a special location in your home and getting to enjoy your lovely creation. To make this high-end French country floral arrangement, you will need a thrifted ceramic vase or a glass jar or urn, white chalk paint, royal or cobalt blue acrylic paint, a sea sponge, floral foam, hot glue, wire cutters, faux hydrangeas in muted green and cream, creamberry picks, eucalyptus or olive sprigs, and subtle fall accents like deep burgundy foliage, mini acorns, and faux oak leaves. Gather a vase or vases if you are making more than one, along with floral foam and desired floral picks. Clean the vase, paint the base with white chalk paint, cut into the sponge so it has a floral-like design, dip it into blue paint, and sponge on design. Press the block of floral foam securely into the neck of the blue and white ceramic vase. Insert the dried or artificial flowers of choice into the vase. Add in the fall picks with acorns, pine cones, and fall flowers. Just like that, you have a beautiful fall floral arrangement created for a fraction of the price of the original for all to appreciate. We hope these budget-friendly DIY ideas inspired you to bring elegant, cozy French country charm into your own home this autumn without spending a fortune. Transforming simple, affordable pieces into luxury-look decor is all about the little details, from classic sponge-painted ceramics to layered textural florals and warm seasonal accents. Subscribing, liking, and commenting on our videos helps more than you know.